Have you guys been playing the Monopoly Go game and wondering on how to change your account name on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your account name in the Monopoly Go game. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app, just like this. And after opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to change your account name, tap onto three lines at the top right corner, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find your profile just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find your name just right here. Now to change it, tap onto this pencil icon right here. Now tap onto the name bar and simply change the name just like this. And after that, tap onto submit. And now you can see your account name has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your account name in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.